Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, LED headlights. There's also reversing sensors and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. There's also the 7-inch touchscreen that features navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So this car was originally sold by us from new and has a full service history with us as well. It's done under 23,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.